Wachovia, interest rates FDIC, Bush and Cheney now, Obama's better no doubt. Wall Street, Main Street, Fannie, Freddie, AIG. Time we didn't start the crisis, but the markets did crash, so we're taking a lashing. And we didn't start the crisis, but we'll fix it anyway once we get our MBAs. Microsoft starts a tank, wrap their goals another bank. Families try to scrape by, unemployment's too high. Who's to blame for it